okay? Y'all can't be out here at night. Crazy, spooky stuff going on. Okay, it's okay. You're safe now.
About to put the blow dryer on. About to put the blow dryer on. Alright, you guys, I just washed my hair because it was looking all nasty and oily. I didn't like it, so I used the shampoo and conditioner from the hotel room. But yeah, I'm about to blow dry. They got a little blow dryer in here, so that's what I'm gonna do. Turned out. I'm about to tie it up with a scarf on it so it can be nice and fresh in the morning. See y'all in the morning. Look at this weather. Trash. Come on, Florida. I thought y'all the sunny state. The sunny state.
Oh, can I get over? Thank you. You should have never let me have the opportunity.
She thinks she's cute. She got her eyebrows did.
Oh yeah, I am cute. Hi. Hi.
Good morning, you guys. It is day, what day is it? What's today?
Saturday.
But what day?
2.
2? She lost, y'all. She lost.
Yeah,
Today it is day 19. Today is the 19th, right?
19.
It's day 19. You guys are not going to see this until day 20. So it's day 20, you guys. Anyways, we're on the way to the funeral, unfortunately. So it's not really a happy day for her friends. Like I said, we're here to support her friends and their family and for the death of their family. So condolences out to their family. But I just came in for the ride, you know, to help support my stepmom. And yeah, I also got a free trip to Florida. Anyways, but Florida is disgusting. Look at this weather. It's trash, man. I'm all in the people's camera. I got them all in the camera. Anyway, she looked nice. I had to show y'all her outfit later on today. She got styled by one of her little girlfriends, somebody, and I did her makeup and I did her hair, crochet. But yeah, check out my hair, my lashes. So I ended up washing it last night, like y'all seen it, and blow drying it. But I really like the way how, cause it didn't really dry fully before I started like curling on in it, so it didn't really set right. So I might have to redo it later. It might look a little bit better later when I redo it. So it looked a little limp and flat, but it's alright. I ain't trying to get all extra cute or not, cause it's a funeral that we going to, so it's not nothing crazy, you know. But yeah. And then y'all look at this. Top lip need to be shaved. Shame. That's because I got it waxed by one of my homegirls that was at my old job. She is an esthetician, so she was practicing on me. And she was like, oh, can I wax your legs, wax your underarms, and then ended up waxing my lip. And now I got hair growing back on the top lip. Looking like a whole man out here. Like, I really look like my dad now, for real. English, Skids. That's Skids. Oh, I mean, Scott. Scott, daughter. But anyway, that's what we headed to now. And yeah, if you wonder what that noise is, it's because her her windshield wipers are trash. So,
I'm gonna
ain't nothing wrong with that, but I'm just saying, you know, that's what you guys probably would be hearing. So yeah. Yeah, I got a little highlight on my cheekbones and Too Faced lipstick, the same lipstick I've been wearing for the past week or so. And then I also got SAT Cosmetics lip gloss on top of it, which is my cousin cosmetic line. You guys already know that. So, oh, and I bought some chocolate yesterday from the Dollar Tree. I paid like $4 for this. Can you believe that? It was like $3.75 plus tax. It was like $4. But I was craving some chocolate, some little turtles. My favorite little turtle things. I ate all of them.
Except for two.
Except for two. I left her two, but she didn't want it.
Because she don't eat chocolate.
Oh, you don't eat chocolate? Oh.
No, your daddy.
Well, I was trying to be nice and, you know, leave her two in there, but I ate all of these. Yeah, it was a long trip down here. Y'all already know. So that was my snack on the road. But yeah, this is my favorite little turtle doves. And it's raining. It looks crazy outside. Hold on, let me show y'all. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh shit.
Oh wow. Oh, you running the red light. Oh
no, I didn't.
You're gonna win them shirt wipers. I'm joking. You guys, we stopped at the store to get some gas. Look at my stepmom now. And her friend that we're going to her funeral, I mean, this is her people's funeral. Her husband just opened up the door and scared the hell out of me. I was like, who the is that? Like, I'm sitting in the car while she at the store. Y'all can't see him, but he over there. You can't see him, but he over there gonna open up the door and scare the crap out of me. He came in, I was like, who the woo, he scared the crap out of me. I thought he was like trying to rob me and so I'm like, what the? And it's Florida, so I don't freaking know. I don't know. It's her friend out here. Let me open the door, go see them. Oh. Woo. I can't be doing stuff like that, man.
Why you rolling up on a brother like that?
Why you gotta get the tree?
Because it's pretty. The tree is nice and pretty. It's like a little nice palm tree right in the yard. Look at this. What is that on there? Oh. Super cute. I love this tree. This weather, you guys.
Like when Yanni graduated, I had to take these out because I couldn't wear them.
Why?
I don't know, like my leg was wobbly.
Palm trees. Hey, these palm trees look nice. Look at this building. Florida, baby, Florida. I gotta come to Florida more often. So it's only a couple hours away. This looks nice. Edison National Bank. City of the what? Oh, City of Palms. Oh, the little statue over there. It's nice. Oh crap! It's nice. I like the little palm trees and stuff. It reminds me of Vegas, how they have these palm trees in California and stuff. But they always have like those type of sunroofs because of the sun.
Look over here.
There's a nice little bridge, little trees here. Oh, that's the little boardwalk thing. Okay, nice. Look at the boat. We're at the dock, baby. I'm about to go to the islands. You know, Jamaica, a couple of islands over. Bahamas right across the seas over there, baby. Virgin Islands. I'm joking. Ooh, what's that? What's this shack right here? Joe's Crab Shack. Oh, I want to go back. I'll miss those. That's some real seafood in here. Oh, not killing. Hotels. The dock. Looks so beautiful. Can't wait to go put my toes in some water. Long day. Still here in Florida. This is the church that they had the funeral at, so my condolences to the family. It was a beautiful funeral service for their grandfather that my stepmom came to support her friend whose grandfather had passed, and he seemed like a really good, well-known grandfather in their community in Fort Myers, Florida. So I just came for the trip, like I told y'all before, and I enjoyed it so far. As you seen earlier, we were just riding around in the circle to the areas that he used to love. It's nice and peaceful. It stopped raining because it was raining earlier, and I was like, But yeah, they had some really good food at the repast and some cake. The girl ate. I'm full. Like I said, sending my condolences to the family and my prayers to the family. I don't even know their family like that, but they were very welcoming and warm-hearted. Like I said, I just came down here with my stepmom. These are friends of hers. Ooh. Little bug on my camera. But these are friends of hers, so I'm just very thankful for how open that their family was. And he was a part of the military. It was nice to see the military guys out there folding the little flag up and see how things were done. But we're gonna go home and change because I've been in these hills all day, as y'all can see. And it's a little hot. I know it's raining back in Georgia. Y'all got hit by the tropical storm that was going up that way. But yeah, I'm gonna change. I want to go to the pool later on tonight, or probably whatever they got planned on. I don't know. But I was kind of sick, got a headache to be honest, because I ain't eat all day. But I'm tired, kind of hot, look a little crazy. But we've been out the house since like 11 o'clock this morning, and it is currently 6:30 p.m. So, you know, we had the funeral, the burial, and then the repast, and now we get ready to go home, change clothes, and whatever they go from there. I don't know what they're gonna do from there, but yeah, I'm gonna change clothes, and I don't know. But anyways, I'll see y'all a little bit later after I change my outfit and my clothes, because whew, I'm tired. But I'm enjoying my time here in Florida. The weather is super beautiful now, because earlier today the weather was trash. I was about to say, I thought this was the sunshine state, like come on Florida. But yeah, the weather ended up being really, really nice. So yeah, hopefully we got one more day here tomorrow. We leave tomorrow night, so hopefully in the morning time we get to enjoy like the pool area, or if we do get to go to the beach and walk around, that would be really, really nice. But it was about a good 8 hours driving from Atlanta to Florida, Fort Myers. We was going to Fort Lauderdale at first, so that was like an extra 3 hours further down to the tip. But we at Fort Myers, which is a different part of Florida. And yeah, it's just good to come here and visit y'all in Fort Myers. If I got any Fort Myers viewers watching my channel right now, make sure you guys go in the comment section and let me know what's up. Welcome me to y'all hometown. And yeah, I'm just enjoying being here, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna sit here and keep rambling, because I be rambling, y'all. I be rambling, I'm sorry, but yeah. Woo, woo. Let's see y'all later. Bye. And also, you guys, I know that my lash be coming up in some of my videos, and that's only because it be bothering my eyes, even if I move it over some, because I know sometimes it be too close to my eye duct. So I kind of was just like lifting it up a little bit, as you can see. Yeah, I was lifting it up because it was like really, really bothering my eyes. And yeah, but the church service was really, really nice. It reminded me of my old family. Not my old family, but my family in New York. My grandfather, my grandmother, all of them that had passed, and that's deceased now. So it took me back to childhood memories. So I really, really enjoyed the church service, even though it was for a funeral, unfortunately. But yeah, that's pretty much why I came back, just to tell y'all about my lash. So don't be trying to judge a girl because her lash coming up, okay? Boo, no. I got food all over my face. But yeah, these lashes is kind of like, whew. I gotta put some new ones out. Once we go change, I need to go dip my feet in some water, because y'all know I love water. Like, I am an Aquarius. I am the water barrier, and I'm an air sign, but I love water. Oh, wait, the wind is blowing. I was trying to do the whole thing with the, like that lady did with her lashes, and her lashes was like, I was like, okay, let me stop being dumb. I got a headache, y'all. I gotta lay back and sit down because I'm tired. They still over there talking? Yeah, I know how people be, but like I said, I'm enjoying my time being here. It's no rush for anything. So like I said, my condolences out to the family, and their grandfather that passed away seems like a really, really good, well-known man in the community, like I said. So they said he was like a policeman at one point. He was a teacher. He took part on the church board. He did some other stuff in the community as well, but he was just a really, really well-known man, and a lot of people respected him. So it was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful funeral. And I just wish peace on the family, because I know how it is. Like, we dealt with a lot of death in our family from my grandmother, my grandfather on my father's side, my dad, my mom, like, you know what I'm saying? So I know how it is. So like I said, just my condolences to people that lose people, a loved one. Yeah, he seemed like a really, really good man. So yeah, I'm just enjoying my little weekend getaway. And yeah, all right, you guys, I'm really gonna see y'all later, because I know I said I was gonna see you later before, but now I'm gonna see you later for real. I'm back at the hotel, and I might stay and go to the pool, or I might just go with my stepmom with them to, I think, like their aunt or somebody else's house. But earlier today, I'm gonna show you guys, it was pouring down rain in here, and I slipped on these stairs right here. And I was telling my stepmom that I was gonna go talk to them, but now I'm noticing that they had signs that said caution, floor slippery when wet. I did not see that. First of all, the way the rain was like coming, it was like blowing sideways in here, so you cannot even pay attention to that. You can't see that. That's not like eye level. First of all, it needs to be somewhere where you can actually see this, because no. And I was coming down. When you walk downstairs, you're holding your head down. You're not holding your head up like this. I mean, I don't know if y'all hold your head down or up when you go downstairs. I hold my head down, so I'm walking down like this, then go flop, flop, flop. I literally like fell. It was like crazy. But now I'm noticing that they got another sign right there that says slippery when wet, and it was soaking wet outside earlier today. It was rushing, so I'm trying to walk fast in these shoes and bust my arm, bust my butt, all of that. But I'm finna walk down towards the pool just to see the pool area, because I really want to put my feet in some water, like for real. But I'm trying to see if the pool's open. I wonder if I had to bring a key. Crap. It says please use west entrance, keep gate closed, no glass allowed in the pool area. Anyway, I'm walking towards the pool because I want to get my feet wet while my hair water. Oh wait, okay, yeah, we use this entrance. So that's the little rocks. I wonder if they close at a certain time. So I told her I might stay and just go to the pool, but like I said, the weather, look at this, cloudy, and it's getting dark, but the weather is kind of crazy here because they had a little tropical storm. How do you open this? Oh, here. They got a, I think they got a lock on it, you guys. Oh, the pool go from 7 feet. Wow. So from 3 feet to 7 feet. I'm gonna turn it around in a minute. Oh, pool hours, dawn to dusk. Okay, so it's closed. It looks like I'm gonna be going with my stepmom because the pool is closed. Pool hours is from dawn until dusk. But this is the pool area. Wish I could show y'all more, but I can't. I wanted to go swimming. Maybe I can go swimming at their hotel. But our hotel is like a little motel looking style. Nothing crazy. But yeah, this just look nice. Like, I like the little pool. I just love water, like I said. Look at that water over there. I wish I could go, but it's closed. They got a little lock here. So yeah, I guess it's closed. So unless I jump the gate. Anyways, look at the nice little flowers, the rocks. Ooh, maybe I should take a rock. I always take rocks or like stones or something. I wonder if it say anything about like not taking a rock. I ain't have none of these rocks in like so long. I'm gonna take two. Take two. Security camera is on. Do it say anything? Nope, it just says something about a fine. Look at my toes. Back at the hotel, you guys. It was such a long day, right? It was a long day. it was a long day. Now I'm about to take my lashes off finally, because these lashes was getting on my nerves all day. And I'm about to wipe my makeup off my face because I'm tired. I got a tired headache. And leave tomorrow. So like I said, it was a mini vacation, mini weekend getaway. Why you hiding? Why you not hot from?
They say my what?
Your gum drop.
What is she talking about?
Anyway, so that's it for this vlog, you guys. I see y'all in day 21, because I know it's day 20 when you guys are seeing this. But yeah, woo, I was looking crazy. Yeah, I gotta go get this top lip waxed. But anyways, see y'all day 21. Peace out, you guys.